Hello astronauts, once again welcome back to the Web3 YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to explore about the another project which launched their campaign on the Galaxy recently. So the name of the project is Allo basically, and you can read about learn and earn with Allo. So basically you can earn points by completing the task on the Galaxy, and you can also claim your Allo points by visiting the RWA dashboard on the Allo. So let's see what are the tasks available here. Already 14,900 people are participating in this campaign. Also, there are some basic tasks which you need to complete, like social tasks, and then you need to answer some quiz questions related to SVP demystified, what, why, and how. So let's start. So first, the requirement is quite simple. Either you should have a Web3 score greater than level 1, or you must be a Galaxy passport holder. So you can check here. I am verifying both the quest here, so I am eligible for this. So then you need to follow the hello xyj on the Twitter account, and then you need to join their Telegram account. Also you need to join the Discord server of the hello. So let's directly move towards the quiz part, where you need to answer some quiz questions here, and you can grab 50 loyalty points from here. So basically the first question is here: what does SPV stand for? So SPV basically means special purpose vehicle. So option B is correct here. Okay, now next question is, there will be total of 10 questions. Okay, so second question is, the primary purpose of an SPP is basically SPV act as a subsidiary created by a parent company to serve as a specific purpose. Okay, so option B is correct here. Now the third question here is, how is an SPV typically structured? Okay, so basically it as a separate entity with its own assets. So option D is correct here. Now, question fourth is, one benefit of using SPV is, so regulatory and tax advantages. Option D is correct. And then fifth question is, what is the main reason of fund manager use SPV? What is the main reason behind them? So option number B is correct, to pool investor to invest in a specific alternative asset. Okay, after question number fifth, we have a sixth question. SPV are often used for investing in specific deals. So option B is correct here again. Now the seventh question: which of the following is a common use case for an SPV in finance? Okay, it is the question number seven. So the option here is A. Okay, securitizing assets and raising capital from investors. Now the eighth question here is, what are the typical steps to set up an SPV? So option B is correct, registering the entity, then set up legal documents and banking, and then onboard investors. Now question number ninth, second last question is, why might a fund manager prefer to use an SPV for an investment? So basically to allow for flexibility for investing in various alternate asset classes. So option C is correct. And now the last question is, what is the key benefit for fund managers using SPV through LO? So basically they have the ability to tokenize real world assets. They are faster and more efficient, and ability to integrate USDC wallets as well. So option D, all of the above options are correct. So let's submit all the quiz answers here. If you missed any answer, you can just revisit that part of the video. Now you can claim your loyalty points here. Also you can refer your friends if you want. For every refer you will get the 10 loyalty points here. Okay, so I will put the link of this campaign in the description box. If you need any more details regarding this campaign, you can comment down in the video, and I will try to help you out. So that's all for today's video, friends. Thank you for watching.